This video is from Trimax Umbrella Private Limited. This video is taken to show that the fire alarm will work without electric current and on UPS. It will work on UPS. As you can see on the screen, on the video, the top left, the light is burning, which means electricity is on. Now the operator on the panel board is going to switch off the main switch selector. Yes. Wait. As you can see, this is on, switch off mode. For information, so switch off mode. Now we're going to the UPS. Now we're going to the UPS. Here the UPS is working and it's still on. Now we're going to switch on the fire alarm.